Castlecove Village is a beautiful 22 home site community in the heart of Montgomery County. What I love about Castlecove Village is its location. Practically any store or restaurant you can imagine is within your vicinity. You're surrounded by trees in this beautiful setting, and because you sit so high back off the road, you feel like you're right in the middle of nature. Arguably, in any community, everyone wants to be at the end of the cul-de-sac, and here at this community, practically every home site is situated around that cul-de-sac. So everyone gets to enjoy that setting, and it's something that's really unique, and our home buyers are really loving. We have 7 floor plans you can choose from, and it's great because they range from 2,300 square feet up to 3,400 square feet. You have everything from the classical traditional design, which you'll find in the Addison or Parker, and then you can go really modern. We have this new modern home plan called the Sebastian. The Covington is the model we're featuring here at Castlecove Village. What we love about the Covington, it's 3,400 square feet, and it feels and lives really large, right into the beautiful kitchen, family room area. It's completely open. There's tons of windows, beautiful fireplace. There's so many things about Keystone that makes us special. One of the most important things is our quality and our customization. And to be able to customize homes that are specifically designed for each home buyer is just amazing. Castlecove Village has something for everyone. Whether you enjoy the outdoors and hiking and biking, outdoor activities, or if you love shopping and dining, if you want to be, amongst all your friends and neighbors, or if you want that privacy, you got everything here at Castlecove Village.